Okay, here's a quick demonstration on that plasma table. I'm going to cut some circles. Feed rate 1,000 inches a minute, and it will do a finish at 50 inches, it looks like. So we'll see here. Give it a try. Cycle start. And I've tested feed rates up to about 1,500 inches a minute, and it seemed to do okay. But say 1,000 seems to be a pretty safe number. 1,200 probably. Right here you'll mount some kind of holder for your torch and maybe a hook for the wire, you know, and really it's pretty simple stuff. See ya.